Next we are going for what is meant by creditor. What is meant by creditor? Supplier. The person who supplied the goods. That means company received the benefit. Yes or no? From whom? From certain person. That means company received the benefit. That means business received the benefit from the person. When a company or when a business receives a benefit from a person, it need to pay the amount or not? That is nothing but what, sir? Creditor. Need to pay the amount to such person for receiving the benefit is nothing but what, sir? Creditor. You can even call him it as a supplier. The person who supplies the goods to the company. That means here the company is getting benefited from such person by supplying the goods. When the company gets benefited from certain person, the amount need to be paid. The amount need to pay is nothing but a liability, sir. I already said yet to pay the amount. It is nothing but what, sir? Liability. Because of that reason, this creditor will be showing under the head liability. Now I am going to ask you, what is meant by solvent? What is meant by insolvent? Again, I am going to ask you one question. Solvent, good debts, both are same. Insolvent, bad debts, both are same. Interview questions, sir. Everyone will be saying solvent means this, insolvent means that. Okay, sir, I am going to ask you a question. Solvent and good debts both are same. Insolvent and bad debts both are same. One are same. Solvent and good debts are same. Insolvent, good debts. Good debts. Sir, it is completely different. Many of them think solvent and good debts are same. That means money is recoverable in thing. It is nothing but good debts. You are going to think that is solvent. Please remember, sir, you need to compare with total assets and total liabilities. That means even company is ready to pay whole liabilities. That means assets are more compared to liabilities. That is nothing but solvent. Na ఆస్తులు మొత్తం అమ్మినా నా అప్పులు తీరవు అంటే ఇన్సాల్వెంట్, సార్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్, సార్. నా ఆస్తి 100 కోట్లు, నా అప్పులు 50 కోట్లు, నాకు ఇంకా ఎంత ఉంది, సార్? 50 crores. ఐఎమ్ ఏ క్యాపబుల్ పర్సన్ టు పే ద అమౌంట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో, సార్? దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ ఏ సాల్వెంట్ పొజిషన్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్. మై ప్రాపర్టీ ఈస్ 100 crores, బట్ మై డెబ్ట్స్ ఆర్ 50 crores. That means I am more, 50 crores more. That means I have the capability to pay the amount. That means my assets are more compared to liabilities. Liabilities means yet to pay the amount. Assets means it is nothing but the revenue what I am generating, I have been generated. It is nothing but assets, sir. That means assets I am having is 100 crores. I am yet to pay the amount is 50 crores. 50 crores I am more, sir. So I am a capable person to pay the amount. That means assets are exceeding compared to liabilities. This is nothing but what, sir? Solvent. Can you compare that? That is nothing but what, sir? Where that one? Book debts is nothing but a customer need to pay the amount. It is different. That is in assets a part, sir. In asset a part, it's a part. But here, sir, we are comparing total assets with total liabilities. That is nothing but what, sir? Solvent. That means assets are more compared to liability. That means I have the capacity to pay the amount of liabilities. That means equal or more. Assets are more. Assets are equal to liabilities, or assets are more compared to liabilities. That means I am a capable person to pay the liabilities. It is nothing but what, sir? Solvent. What about insolvent, sir? Assets are less compared to liabilities. That means liability is exceeding compared to assets. Yes or no, sir? That means ఆస్తులు తక్కువై అప్పులు ఎక్కువై. I think so, sir. My Telugu will not be that much good. Please adjust. The main reason is because of teaching this and all in few places happened. Insolvent. That means assets are completely less. That means assets are 50 crores. But by keeping on me confident, outsiders gave me loans like anything, sir. They have been given loans for me. But the loans what I bought is 100 crores. When I sell my assets, I am recovering 50 crores, but I need to pay 100 crores. At that time, I will be called as a insolvent when I am unable to repay the amount. Who will be it, sir? Now I have totally sold my assets, but I am unable to pay the liabilities. Simple, sir. As an individual, I need to go and surrender in the court of law. At that time, the company, what, sir, that court will be giving you a certificate. దివాలా తెలుగులో అంటాం అనమాట, తీశాడు వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అని అంటాం. దట్ మీన్స్ ఏ కంపెనీ విల్ బీ గివింగ్ ఏ ఇన్సాల్వెంట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ విల్ బీ. దట్ మీన్స్ నో వన్ షుడ్ టచ్ దిస్ ఇండివిజువల్ ఫర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ది మనీ. ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ no one should give the amount to such person. If the amount has been given to such person, it is not possible to recover. This court will be declared and court will be giving insolvent certificate to the individual. If it is a company will be wind up and it will be adjusted to the all the liabilities. Yes or no, sir? This is a case will be happened in insolvent and at the same time solvent. In detail we are going to study in the future. Okay, sir, how they will be adjusted this assets to liabilities, how they will be assets. If it is less, who is going to bear the amount? We are going to study in detail in the future, sir. That means there the concepts will be coming reserves. There the concept will be reserve capital. Something we are going to come across through. Until unless you understand that company accounts, it is not possible, sir. That I hope you understood. This is nothing but solvent and insolvent. Come on, write the notes.